is up, you guys? I hope everyone is doing well. So let's just jump right into the video. So what we're going to be doing today is revamping an old wig of mine, and the products that I'm going to be using is from the Sev Skin, aka shop7b.com, the shampoo from this line, and I'm going to use the shampoo just to clean the wig and also just clean the lace, because a lot of the times, I don't know if you guys know this, but you can break out if you don't clean your lace previously before you install it over a new wig. Also, there might be some residue left over, so I'm just using one of these little 3-in-1 comb slash brush tools and just getting all of the extra glue out that was probably left behind. So I already have my hair braided down, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the glueless products. We're going to take some oil. Majority of all of the products that I am going to use today is definitely from my website, IAmErickaJ It's down in the description box as always. And this is my new packaging for the butterfly growth oil, and I feel like it's really dope. And I know I dropped these products like without any announcements or any demo videos, so I felt like, you know what, I need to show you guys how to use these products, because I did drop them, talked about them on my Instagram. I made one video a few months ago with the purple hair, but I was like, you know what, let me make another video. So if you're familiar with my products, you will know that I already had a holding spray before, but we had took it down off the website and just redesigned it as far as the packaging goes, and also just made a new formula. So this one holds much better, much stronger, and it's also easier to hold versus that super large bottle. So I used the holding spray to spray down my edges, get those slicked back, and now I'm going in with the liquid melt and just putting one layer and spreading it out evenly across my hairline where the wig is going to lay at. And I took some of the holding spray, used my finger to just spread that out a little bit, and then I blow dried it for about 60 seconds. And it doesn't really have to be an exact time. You can just continue to blow dry until you feel the product getting tacky around your hairline. And you can definitely use more than one layer, but I just wanted to show you guys how strong using one layer will give you. Like, once you guys see this actually melt it down, and I blow dry it and get it all down into its place, and I use the elastic band to just strap it on down, met it on in, you're going to see exactly how strong this product is with one layer. This is a completely glueless product. You do not have to, you know, use any skin protectants, any glues or anything like that. Like, this is 100% just a glueless gel and a holding spray. This is really a beginner-friendly product collection, and I really wanted to design a product collection that was easy to use. You didn't have to use so many different products just to complete one style. And right now I'm just drying the hair, and now I'm going to take the Sleek Sheen. This is a finishing spray as well as a heat protectant, and it's really beneficial when it comes down to your pressing process, and also when you want to protect your hair, of course, from any heat damage. And not really, I would say, heat damage, especially on a wig, simply because you don't want to have like that frizzy look, and this really helps with that. Today I'm going to be using this flat iron, and oh my gosh, when you guys see the results, this is a must-have in your hot tool collection. Now I'm going to take the butterfly growth oil. I use the butterfly growth oil also when it comes down to flat ironing and really like just giving the hair that soft flowy feel to it. So I put it on my roots, of course, where I use the hot comb at. And then once I start to flat iron, you guys are going to see where I use it just a little bit. Fucking bitch. It's literally been so long. I do not know or remember what a burn mark feels like, but I definitely know it's going to leave a mark and a scar. So right now I'm using this bomb flat iron. You guys see how hot it's getting, and watch when, like I said, watch when the style is actually complete. Woo, yes. So if you're not really too much a fan of baby hair, you could just leave your hair exactly like this and just keep it moving. I'm just going to show you guys, you know, the strength, like how strong it really is. But when you guys do your hair, don't be pulling on it, because remember, it is glueless. It's not going to last for days and days and days. This is a 24, maybe 48-hour product, but I would say 24. Don't push it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.